This groundhog keeps stealing food from this farmer and always eats it directly in front of the security camera. These otters were spotted chasing a butterfly. I think this fish is broken. Sometimes an octopus will try and punch a fish just for fun.
Wakey, wakey.
Oh my god.
This is a hognose snake, which is a harmless snake that likes to play dead. For some reason, this cow was trying to catch its own tail. I have never seen this type of disrespect before.
Okay.
For some reason, this hamster has a knife. Why is this capybara so small? This truck that was carrying oranges broke down, so these elephants took advantage.
The guys have got a bit of a problem here. And the elephants are coming and helping themselves, taking advantage.
These eagles were trying to build a nest together.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Apertura automática.
Ma che brava nisso!
Ma che dice?
He's done with asking and has started demanding.
Oh my god.
This guy found a really round bear.
He is a fat bear. Oh my god, the Gina bear.
He's so chunky. There's a lot more over here on this left side.
This duck loves getting kisses.
Is not back.
Have you ever seen a horse that's equipped with turbo? This pigeon was hurt, so they spent months nursing it back to full health. They were finally ready to release it back into the wild. I can't tell which bird is more angry. This poor little guy doesn't know how wheels work. This fish somehow found a pacifier. This little baby chicken was adopted by this duck.